My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We have some Stussy Air Force Ones in the black colorway. Oh my god, I got one on TSB. Another one. There are a number of releases today. We have Dunks dropping and we also have Jordan 1 mids dropping. I was able to cop some Air Force Ones on Kith a little bit earlier. I have to admit, I have not been on my A game recently. Like, I'm just fumbling and making all sorts of mistakes, and that's not good. Hopefully we can switch that up on the next episode. Bro, no way. No way. TSB held it down for me again. Today we have Yeezy 700s and we have snkrs dropping. The Yeezy 700s aren't that profitable, so I'm only gonna buy those on Undefeated. And I'm also gonna try to do a little bit of testing to see if my zip code is banned or whether or not the zip code ban bypass works. So I'm not expecting to get any more than a few. The snkrs are what's important. I gotta be on my A game for those. Hopefully we can get at least one. But the first drop is going to be Yeezys in 30 minutes. Let's go for them.
BMB on the track.
No way. Alright. Either I got really lucky or these guys had a ridiculous amount of stock. If I had to take a guess, they had a ridiculous amount of stock because I do not hit Shopify like this. Like, it just does not happen. Alright, since I was able to check out 5 already, I'm not going to be going for the Yeezys anymore. So I'll be focusing on snkrs now. What day is today? Oh my god, are you serious, bro? Monday. That is a boat. Oh, no way. Dude, TSB, thank you for saving me. That's crazy. I didn't even get the notification that I copped. Today I managed to get 3 dunks on Nike sneakers using TSB. You know what? Nike has been blessing me recently, so I am super duper surprised and happy about that. And I wasn't even running that many accounts. So definitely I'm going to be getting more accounts now that I know that it definitely works, because I've been hitting Nike pretty consistently. And the reason why I never record my face during these Nike live cops is because I never expect to hit. Anyways, there are a lot of things that came in the mail today. Look at all these boxes behind me. These are a lot of packages, and we gotta get to opening them. Here we have the shoes. Most of them are Jordan 1 band mids. Not too much profit margin right now. However, with a high volume of sales, I do believe this should go up in value not too long from now. Got another Yeezy bread from Foot Sites. This must be like some sort of delayed shipping, because I got these almost a whole month ago. Jordan 1 Lows Smoke Grays in a size 10. And we have Stussy Air Force 1s in the black colorway. These pretty much break, and I'm not surprised. This is quite boring. I would say the only detail that is really worth noting is this in the back. I think that gives the shoe a really nice touch. But yeah, it doesn't surprise me too much that the prices on these aren't looking that good at all. Alright, we got two more things that came in the mail today. Look what they did to my box, yo. Look what they did to my box. This is one of the more expensive sneakers. I don't know what the resale price right now for these are. I'm sure it's a lot, but either way, this is just a piece that I really wanted just because I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And I end up with a box like this. Bro, why did they have to do that to my box, man? These sneakers are fantastic. You know what? I'm actually tempted to just buy this box on eBay. It just breaks my heart, man. We also got these in the Stussy Air Forces in the fossil colorway. Not too different from the black ones, but there certainly is a lot more demand for these. Today we have Kobe Grinches dropping. Now this is a sneaker that has a lot of sentimental value to a lot of people, not just because it's a Kobe sneaker, rest in peace to the GOAT, but also because of the history behind it, the technology behind it, and the way they initially released these back in 2010. I'm not going to talk too much about the history behind it. It's not really in my place to do that. I will leave that to the more OG sneakerhead YouTubers out there. So if you want to learn more about it, I suggest you do some research on it. It's really interesting, and in general it's just good to be educated about innovations in sneakers like these. Therefore, if I do manage to get my hands on these, I will try to get them into the hands of people who actually want them. But if I manage to get a lot of these, then I will probably end up reselling a few. The rumored stock numbers are extremely high. People are saying over 600,000 pairs. Some people are also saying it's going to be extremely limited. I wouldn't be surprised if it's the latter, but we'll just end up seeing how it goes. Oh my gosh, yo, Balko is killing it right now. This was the moment I've been waiting for. This was the moment I've been waiting for. I had a feeling that those rumored stock numbers for the Kobe release was kind of BS. A lot of people had a really hard time hitting. I'm very surprised that I wasn't able to hit on Nike sneakers, but I did hit on Shoe Palace. And of course, I used Balko. That is where Balko really shines. As you can see, I got 3 checkouts, which is amazing. But the bad part is that 2 of them got canceled. The one that didn't get canceled though was a size 13, which is going for over $500. $100. There's a very good chance though that I will not be reaping in the profits from this particular shoe. The proxies that I used to help me get these checkouts were Inertia Gamma proxies. I don't officially work with these guys, but the Gammas are one of the very few data center proxy plans that work on Shopify's proxy protection. Also, starting from the upload date and time of this video, Inertia Proxies is having a 50% off sale on their residential plan if you use my discount code NOVA. These are not the same residential proxies that I personally use, but with 50% off, this is a decent price for a residential plan, so a lot of botters watching could have some really good use out of it, especially considering that these do not expire unless of course you use up all of your data. Do have Bodega Dunks dropping not too long from now. Hopefully it's not one of those releases where they only raffle it off, so I'm hoping I do get a chance to at least try to go for it, because I'm not gonna fill out raffles. Are we even gonna get a chance to get them? We'll find out on the next episode.